To our students who are here today, many of you are in scrubs, thank you for being here. You know, this place is for you. We designed this place just for you. I challenge you to train hard, ask brave questions, learn as a team. Every repetition here becomes compassion at a bedside later.
This is truly an exciting time to be a JET. The opening of the Medical Simulation Center will have a profound impact on the learning of each and every health science student. Interactive simulation plays a pivotal role in preparing students for even the toughest of situations, both in and out of the hospital. Having a safe environment to dive in, explore, ask questions, and be hands-on is a crucial step in ensuring workforce readiness. Healthcare is messy, fast-moving, and never-ending, and because of this, there's nothing more important than being as prepared and confident in your skills as possible.
My deep thanks go to our generous partners and donors who believed in this vision. We're excited to share the Medical Simulation Center, made possible by a generous $1.5 million gift from Alro Steel and the Alvin Glick Foundation.
Proud to be here representing Alro Steel, the Al Glick Foundation. Al was my father. At the end of my father's life 3 years ago, he spent the last few weeks at Henry Ford here. His body was worn out, but his mind was still very with him, and he was interviewing everyone that came in the room. Where'd you go to school? Where are you from? Where'd you go to high school? Where did you learn this? What's your job? And he quickly realized that we need much more help in the healthcare world. He didn't know what, he didn't know how, he didn't know how big. He just said, make it better. Jackson College here was going down a path, and we just helped make it a little bit bigger. I'm just proud to be part of this. My dad would be truly proud of what you guys have done in teaching our future. So if we don't invest in our future, we probably don't have one.
Community colleges have long served as accessible institutions of higher education in their local communities. This center aligns perfectly with that direction.
With this one idea, this one day in 2022, when the whole team came together and ran a simulation of a code, we all realized that what we need to do for our students, for all of you, is to be one team all the time. And this lab became not a lab anymore, but a true center, a true hospital, a true place that we all felt very comfortable putting our scrubs on, coming together, and having a vision where we could bring everyone at Jackson College together.
May what begins here today echo for years in the lives of graduates who will touch all of us at some point.